Samsung continues to be the top dog of the Android land, and a significant reason is the Galaxy S flagship lineup. It's been almost a year since Samsung launched the Galaxy S22 series, and, as it is with every other smartphone out there, rumors and leaks about its successor, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, have started to heat up. Samsung has announced that it will launch its highly anticipated Galaxy S23 smartphone series at the Galaxy Unpacked event on February 1st, and fans are eagerly waiting to see what the new phone has to offer. The Galaxy S23 is expected to be a major upgrade over its predecessor, the Galaxy S22, with a range of new features and improved specs. Ahead of its official unveiling, a lot of information about the Samsung Galaxy S23, including its specs, price, features, and availability, has leaked. In this video, we will provide an overview of everything that has been leaked and rumored about the Galaxy S23. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Release date and price. On January 10, 2023, Samsung officially confirmed that it will be hosting its Galaxy Unpacked event on February 1, 2023, to unveil the new Galaxy S series. Unlike the past few events, this one will take place in person. It will kick off at 10 a.m. PST and will be live streamed on the Samsung website, Samsung Newsroom, and Samsung's YouTube channel. While the company's press release doesn't explicitly mention the name Galaxy S23, it has announced that the event will introduce the next generation of the Galaxy S series, which is widely speculated to be the S23. The company stated that these new devices will raise the bar and set new standards for premium experiences, positioning them as the epitome of the ultimate premium experience. As for pricing, it is currently unknown what Samsung will charge for the S23. The Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra started at the price of $799, $999, and $1,199 respectively, and we expect the S23 to follow suit. However, depending on inflation and economic conditions, we could also see an increase of $50 or $100 per model. Design. Samsung will reportedly ditch the contour-cut design in favor of a Galaxy S22 Ultra-like design on the Galaxy S23. The upcoming flagship won't feature a protruded camera module and will instead come with discrete camera lenses protruding outwards. However, apart from this change, the Galaxy S23 will look like a typical S-series device with 3 camera sensors aligned vertically on the back, a glass and metal sandwich build, and thin bezels on the front. Some rumors also claim that the standard Galaxy S23 will be both slightly taller and wider than the Galaxy S22. This could be due to the slightly larger battery that Samsung is planning to ship on the Galaxy S23. In case you're wondering about colors, Ross Young claims that the S23 will come in 4 colors: black, green, beige, and light pink. Display. Shifting our focus to the front, the Samsung Galaxy S23 is rumored to feature a flat 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED display. It will reportedly feature Full HD Plus resolution, support up to 120 Hz, and feature up to 1,300 nits of peak brightness. The specs of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, in terms of the display, are also expected to remain the same as the S22 Plus, which means we're getting a 6.6 inches Full HD Plus display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor. Samsung is reportedly planning to launch the Samsung S23 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor in all regions. This is a change from previous Samsung Galaxy S models, which were released with different processor variants in different regions. For example, the Samsung S22 was released with the Exynos processor in Europe, while it featured Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US, South Korea, and India. Rumors report that the Galaxy S23 will run on Android 13 out of the box. It will feature at least 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. Unfortunately, like the Galaxy S22, there will be no microSD card slot for storage expansion, per the report. In terms of connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to feature standard capabilities such as Wi-Fi 6, 5G, and Bluetooth 5.3. In addition to these features, the Galaxy S23 is rumored to feature support for Qualcomm's Snapdragon satellite, which will give this smartphone series iPhone 14-like capabilities of connecting to emergency services in areas with no cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. Camera. According to leaks, the Galaxy S23 will feature the same camera hardware as previous models, including a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, 10MP telephoto lens, and 10MP front camera. However, even though the hardware may be unchanged, it is likely that there will be significant improvements in photo quality due to software optimizations and machine learning, as well as the potential for improved image processing thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's new ISP. Samsung, in its Galaxy S23 teaser videos, has stated that the upcoming smartphone series will feature various camera-related improvements. The video states that the upcoming device will offer stunning night photos, which aligns with recent claims from industry insider Ice Universe that the Galaxy S23 series will feature significant advancements in low-light photography. Battery. Samsung Galaxy S22 was mainly criticized for its poor battery life. The company could be looking to correct its mistake with a slightly bigger 3900 mAh cell on the Samsung Galaxy S23. While a bigger battery alone does not guarantee improved battery life, the combination of this larger cell with the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor could mean that the Galaxy S23 will last longer than the Galaxy S22 on a single charge. Coming to the charging speed, the Galaxy S23 will reportedly feature the same 25-watt fast charging as the Galaxy S22. Furthermore, we expect to see support for up to 15-watt wireless charging and support for 10-watt reverse wireless charging as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this.